Top 30 Alarm System Installer Trainee Interview Questions and Answers. Starting a career as an alarm system installer trainee requires technical aptitude, attention to detail, and strong problem-solving skills. Interviewers aim to assess your understanding of basic installation procedures, safety measures, and customer service abilities. This guide provides 30 common interview questions with well-structured answers to help you prepare effectively. Whether you are new to the field or improving your skills, these answers will boost your confidence for your upcoming interview. 1. Can you tell us about yourself? I am a dedicated and detail-oriented individual with a strong interest in security technology. My background includes basic electrical knowledge and a commitment to learning advanced alarm installation techniques. I value teamwork, clear communication, and accuracy in every task. I am eager to develop my technical skills further, contribute to the safety of customers, and grow professionally in the alarm installation industry through hands-on training and continuous improvement. 2. Why do you want to work as an alarm system installer trainee? I am passionate about security technology and its role in protecting people and property. This role allows me to combine technical skills with problem-solving while making a real difference in customers' lives. I am eager to learn from experienced professionals, understand installation processes in depth, and contribute to a reliable and efficient security service that ensures client safety and peace of mind at all times. 3. What do you know about alarm system installation? Alarm system installation involves mounting, wiring, and configuring devices such as control panels, sensors, and sirens. It also includes connecting the system to monitoring services, testing its functionality, and ensuring all components are secure and operational. Installers must follow safety standards, manufacturer guidelines, and customer requirements. Proper installation ensures the system detects and responds to threats effectively, offering maximum protection to the client's property and assets. 4. How do you ensure accuracy in your work? I ensure accuracy by following installation manuals step by step, double-checking measurements, and verifying each connection before finalizing. I keep a checklist of required tasks, use proper tools, and conduct thorough testing to confirm everything works correctly. I also pay attention to manufacturer specifications and safety regulations. Clear communication with team members and customers helps avoid misunderstandings, ensuring that the final installation meets both quality standards and client expectations. 5. What basic tools are used in alarm system installation? Basic tools include screwdrivers, drills, wire strippers, crimping tools, voltage testers, cable cutters, and measuring tapes. These tools assist in mounting devices, connecting wiring, and securing system components. Installers may also use ladders for high placements and software tools for configuring and testing systems. Knowing how to properly use and maintain these tools is essential to ensure a smooth, safe, and efficient installation process without damage to the equipment. 6. How do you handle wiring during installation? I handle wiring by first ensuring power is switched off to avoid hazards. I measure and cut wires to the correct length, strip insulation carefully, and make secure connections using appropriate terminals. I follow color codes and wiring diagrams provided by the manufacturer. Once connected, I test each wire for continuity and insulation integrity to ensure safe operation. Proper cable management keeps the installation neat and efficient. 7. Why is customer communication important in this role? Customer communication builds trust and ensures the installation meets their specific needs. By explaining how the system works, answering questions, and addressing concerns, I can ensure the client feels confident using the alarm system. Clear communication also helps in scheduling installations, gaining access to areas, and confirming device placements. Good customer relations can lead to referrals and repeat business, making it an essential part of the role. 8. How do you prioritize safety during installation? I prioritize safety by following electrical safety guidelines, wearing personal protective equipment, and using insulated tools. I ensure the work area is clean, avoid trip hazards, and turn off power before wiring. I also use ladders correctly and avoid working in unsafe weather conditions. Following manufacturer instructions and local regulations ensures the installation is both safe for the installer and reliable for the customer. 9. What steps do you take when testing a newly installed alarm system? I start by powering up the system and running a diagnostic check. I test each sensor, siren, and control panel to confirm proper functionality. I simulate triggers, such as opening a protected door, to ensure alarms activate as intended. I also check the monitoring connection and backup power supply. Once tests are complete, I document results and provide the customer with a demonstration and operational instructions. 10. How would you deal with a faulty component during installation? If I encounter a faulty component, I would first verify the issue through testing. I would check for simple fixes such as loose connections or incorrect wiring. If the problem persists, I would replace the component with a spare or order a new one, depending on company procedures. I would document the issue, inform the supervisor, and ensure the final system meets performance standards before completion. 11. How do you stay organized during an installation project? I stay organized by preparing all tools and materials before starting work. I follow a systematic installation sequence, marking completed steps on a checklist. I keep wiring labeled, store small parts in containers, and ensure the workspace remains tidy. Clear labeling and careful planning help prevent errors, reduce delays, and make the installation process smoother and more efficient for both the team and the customer. 12. What do you do if you're unsure about an installation step? If I am unsure, I consult the installation manual or manufacturer's instructions first. If the answer is still unclear, I seek guidance from a supervisor or an experienced technician. I avoid guessing as it could cause errors or safety hazards. Asking questions and verifying steps ensures quality work, prevents costly mistakes, and helps me learn proper procedures for future installations. 13. How do you handle working at heights? I follow ladder safety guidelines, ensuring the ladder is stable and placed on a flat surface. I wear appropriate footwear with good grip and use fall protection if required. I avoid overreaching, maintain 3 points of contact, and keep tools secured. If needed, I ask a team member to assist. Following safety protocols ensures I can complete high installations without risking injury or damaging equipment. 14. How do you maintain your tools? I regularly clean my tools, store them properly, and check them for damage before and after use. I sharpen cutting tools, replace worn parts, and keep electrical testing equipment calibrated. Proper maintenance extends tool life, ensures safety, and prevents delays during installations. I also make sure to follow manufacturer care instructions for specialized tools to keep them in excellent working condition for reliable performance. 15. Why is neat wiring important? Neat wiring ensures the system operates efficiently, reduces the risk of electrical faults, and makes future maintenance easier. It also presents a professional appearance to customers, which builds trust in the quality of work. Properly routed and secured wires reduce trip hazards, prevent tangling, and minimize strain on connections. Organized wiring also helps in quickly identifying components during troubleshooting or when upgrading the system. 16. How do you handle time management during a job? I plan the job in stages, allocating time for each task based on complexity. I prepare materials in advance to reduce delays. I stay focused, avoid unnecessary breaks, and handle one step at a time without rushing to maintain quality. If unexpected issues arise, I adjust priorities while keeping my supervisor informed to ensure the project stays on track and is completed on schedule. 17. What do you know about different types of alarm systems? There are wired and wireless alarm systems. Wired systems connect all components through physical cables, offering reliability but requiring more installation time. Wireless systems use radio signals, making installation quicker and more flexible. Alarm systems may include intrusion alarms, fire alarms, and integrated security solutions. Each type has unique features, and understanding them helps in installing systems that meet the specific security needs of customers. 18. How would you explain the alarm system to a customer? I would use clear, simple language, avoiding technical jargon. I'd demonstrate how to arm and disarm the system, explain sensor functions, and show how alerts are triggered. I would cover maintenance tips, such as battery replacement, and provide written instructions. I'd also explain how to contact support if needed. This ensures the customer feels confident using their alarm system effectively for maximum protection. 19. How do you approach learning new technology in this field? I approach new technology with curiosity and commitment. I attend training sessions, read product manuals, and practice hands-on whenever possible. I stay updated through online resources, industry news, and discussions with experienced colleagues. By asking questions and testing new features in a safe environment, I quickly gain practical knowledge. Adapting to new technology ensures I can deliver modern, reliable, and efficient alarm system installations. 20. How do you work in a team setting? I communicate openly, share responsibilities, and respect each team member's expertise. I listen to instructions, offer help when needed, and maintain a positive attitude. I coordinate tasks to ensure efficiency and avoid duplication of work. By working collaboratively, we can complete installations faster and more accurately, providing customers with a high-quality service that meets their expectations and strengthens the company's professional reputation. 21. How do you handle repetitive tasks? I handle repetitive tasks by maintaining focus and treating each one with the same level of care as the first. I use checklists to ensure consistency and quality. I also look for ways to improve efficiency without sacrificing accuracy. Maintaining a positive mindset and reminding myself of the importance of each task helps me stay motivated, even when the work becomes routine. 22. What do you do if a customer is unhappy with the installation? I listen carefully to the customer's concerns without interrupting, acknowledge the issue, and reassure them I will help resolve it. I assess the problem, make necessary adjustments, and ensure the system meets their expectations. I remain professional, patient, and polite throughout. If the issue requires higher approval, I inform my supervisor promptly. My goal is to turn dissatisfaction into a positive experience. 23. Why is backup power important in alarm systems? Backup power ensures the alarm system remains functional during power outages, maintaining security at all times. It prevents downtime that could leave the property vulnerable. Typically, backup power comes from rechargeable batteries, which keep the system running for several hours. This feature is essential for maintaining continuous protection, especially in areas prone to power interruptions or in high-security environments that require uninterrupted monitoring. 24. How do you ensure compliance with installation regulations? I familiarize myself with local building codes, safety standards, and manufacturer guidelines. I follow company policies and use only approved materials and tools. I document each installation step to prove compliance. If regulations change, I stay updated through training or industry news. Compliance ensures the system is safe, reliable, and legal, protecting both the customer and the company from potential issues. 25. How do you troubleshoot a system that isn't working? I start by checking the power supply, wiring connections, and device settings. I test each component individually to identify the faulty part. I consult the manual for troubleshooting steps and reset the system if needed. If the issue persists, I escalate it to a senior technician. Methodical troubleshooting ensures the problem is resolved quickly while minimizing disruption to the customer. 26. How do you handle installation in challenging weather conditions? I prioritize safety, ensuring outdoor work areas are stable and dry. I protect tools and equipment from moisture and use weather-resistant components when required. If conditions pose significant risks, I follow company guidelines and postpone work if necessary. Adapting installation methods and scheduling around weather helps maintain safety and quality while meeting project deadlines. 27. What do you think is the most important skill for an installer? I believe attention to detail is the most important skill. Every wire connection, component placement, and system configuration must be precise to ensure proper function. Small mistakes can lead to malfunctions, so accuracy is key. Coupled with good communication and problem-solving, attention to detail ensures the installation is safe, reliable, and meets the customer's needs effectively. 28. How do you ensure confidentiality when working in customer properties? I respect the customer's privacy by limiting my access only to necessary areas. I avoid discussing their property or security system with anyone outside the company. I also follow company policies for data protection, ensuring no personal information is mishandled. Professionalism and discretion build trust, encouraging customers to feel comfortable and confident in the service provided. 29. How do you handle pressure to finish a job quickly? I focus on maintaining quality and safety, even under time pressure. I work efficiently by staying organized and prioritizing tasks, but I avoid cutting corners. I communicate with my team and supervisor if deadlines are at risk, suggesting adjustments or requesting additional help if needed. This ensures the job is completed correctly the first time, avoiding rework and maintaining customer satisfaction. 30. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? In 5 years, I see myself as a skilled and certified alarm system installer, capable of handling complex installations independently. I hope to mentor new trainees, contribute to company growth, and stay updated with emerging security technologies. My goal is to develop advanced technical skills and take on more responsibility, possibly moving into a supervisory or project management role within the security installation industry. Preparing for an alarm system installer trainee interview requires both technical awareness and strong interpersonal skills. By practicing these questions and answers, you can demonstrate readiness, reliability, and a genuine commitment to learning. Remember, employers value attention to detail, safety, and customer service as much as technical ability. With the right preparation and confidence, you can make a strong impression and begin a rewarding career in alarm system installation.